Hello, my name is Kameswaral. Today discussion 2 marks now. Straight line 2 marks. Very important. 2 marks now. 2 marks. Hello. 2 marks. First you discussion the 2 marks. Straight lines. First question. 2 marks now. 2 marks. 2 marks questions. Questions. Straight lines. Straight lines. First question. Find the slope of straight line. Slope of straight lines. X plus y equal to 0 and x minus y equal to 0. Slope of two lines now. Find the slope of these straight lines. X plus y equal to 0, x minus y equal to 0. Very easy sum, previous IP question. Solution. Given lines. X plus y equal to 0. Let it be 1. You take a value on x coefficient 1, y coefficient 1. And another line is x minus y equal to 0 is second one. Again this one a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1. Slope of equation 1 is m1. What is the formula? You take the straight line. Formula minus a by b. A value 1, b value 1. So minus 1. Slope of equation 2 is m2. And again formula minus a by b. A value minus 1, b value minus 1. 1. Very important. Very easy sum. Once again, find the slope of these straight lines. X plus y equal to 0, x minus y equal to 0. Given lines x plus y equal to 0. This look like formula. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a look like formula. X coefficient is a, y coefficient is b, constant c. You take x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1. Again another line, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient equal to minus 1. Slope of equation 1. m1 equal to minus a by b minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So minus 1 by 1 minus 1. Slope of equation 2. Again same formula minus a by b. What is the a value? 1. We have minus 1. B value minus 1. Minus 1 get cancelled. 1. Second question. Find the value of x1 if the slope of the lines passing through the points. Previous IP questions. Find the value of x if the slope of the lines passing through the point. Slope of the line passing through the point. 2, 5, x, 3 is 2. You find the value of x. You have the 2 points. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You have the 2 point. What is the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So very easy sum. Given points take, we have a 2, 5. You b written as x, 3. Given slope of AB. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to 2. You have the slope is 2. What is the x1? This is x1 y1, x2 y2. What is the x2? 3 minus 5 by x minus 2 equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 2, x minus 2 equal to 2. Minus 2 equal to, you cross multiply x minus 2. You multiply, this is cancelled one time, this is cancelled one time. 1 equal to x minus 2. Bring this minus 2 left side is equal to x. X equal to 1. You have the 1. Once again, very easy sum. Find the value of x if slope of the line passing through the points. We have the 2 points, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is 2. You replace x1 y1, x2 y2. You replace x1 y1, x2 y2. We have the y2 3, y1 5. 3 minus 5, x minus 2. 3 minus 5 is subtracted minus 2, x minus 2. This one divide, you cross multiply. You 2 ones are cancel, minus 1 equal to x minus 2. Bring the minus 2 left side, you take positive. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, another third question. Find the value of y. The line joining the point is parallel to the line joining the points. We have the take 2 points. Take 2 points now. You take A and B. You take another point C and D. You take M1. You take M2. M1 slope. We have the two lines are parallel. Slopes are equal. Two lines are. We have the 2 points. First 2 points. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Another 2 points. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So given points, solution, given points, you take A 3 comma y, B 2 comma 7 and